Hi everyone! Recently, I came across a super viral egg recipe online. It looked so simple, so I had to try it myself, and honestly, it turned out really good. It's sweet, tangy, and super appetizing. I think you're going to like this one. Start by finely chopping some garlic and scallions. Then set them aside. For the sauce, 2 tablespoons ketchup, 2 tablespoons light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 spoon of sugar, 1 spoon of cornstarch, and 250 milliliters of water. Mix together. Crack 5 eggs into a bowl. Add a little oil to a pan, and once it's nice and hot, gently pour in the eggs. Sprinkle in the garlic. Let them cook until the bottom is set, and you can gently move them around. Then pour in that rich, tangy sauce. Let it simmer over medium heat for about 5 minutes. Finish with some chopped scallions on top. Plate it up. Pour that beautiful sauce all over the eggs. Soft eggs coated in a shiny, sweet and sour glaze. It just looks so good. Now it's time to enjoy your own cooking. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and let's make delicious food simple.